Hey guys, guess what time it is? It's time for BoxyCharm. Just got it in the mail, so let's open it up. I peeked and see what's in the box. Ba-doom. Put it in backwards. Whoop. The thing that fell out of the box is this Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. It's supposed to be intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. It contains 2 masks and a 20 milliliter tube of something, and it says it has a medium peel intensity. So I guess you open up the tube and put it on your face and then apply the lace overlay over that, and just give it 15 to 20 minutes. So very exciting. I'm gonna have to try. Doug has been so busy lately that we haven't been having much time to do Face Mask Fridays, so maybe I can get someone else on my channel to kind of like revive Face Mask Friday, because I do have some other masks that I would like to show off on the channel, and this one really seems interesting as well. Would you be up for this, Mom? It might be kind of like intense for your skin though. Oh yeah, the theme of the box, by the way, is alter ego, so the lace kind of makes sense. This is a $30 value. I've never heard of Dermovia before. The other sort of lacy item in the box is this Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. $38 US. Looks beautiful. And it has, oh, beautiful lace. It looks like 2 highlighters. That might be a bronzer even. And 2 blushes, as well as 5 shimmery eyeshadows. Very beautiful jewel tones. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm excited. I think it would be fun to mix with my Viseart Matte Bright palette, kind of maybe layer them on top. And there is 1 brown matte shadow in there as well. There is some Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid, and Kat Von D has been in a ton of hot water. And I know BoxyCharm got in some hot water for including her in this month's box as well. Not only is she been really vocal about being anti-vaccine lately, but she's always been kind of anti-Semitic. So a lot of people on the online communities that I hang out on have been pretty disappointed to see this. This is the color Mother. So maybe I'll just pass this on, because since I did get it, technically I paid for it. I would hate to just like waste it now that it's already like in my hands. But again, kind of a boring pink color that we always seem to get in BoxyCharms. Now this I'm excited to try out. This is a solid balm cleanser from the brand Pharmacy. And apparently it was made exclusively for BoxyCharm. It's a $22 value. The Kat Von D was a $20 value. And it says, powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. I've never tried anything from Pharmacy that I know of, and I really love the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm for like mascara and eye makeup, so I'm excited to try this guy out as well. And last of all, this one again is kind of a miss for me. This is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara from IT Cosmetics. I've done a whole review on this mascara before. You can check it out up here. And I just thought this was kind of a gloopy mess. It definitely wasn't my favorite. I think I probably said it was like okay, but I wouldn't recommend or purchase. So maybe I'll give it another go and see how it goes. And those are the 5 products in the box. That was like so quick. So I would say I'm excited about 3 of the 5 items. 2 of them, honestly, if I had never tried this mascara before, I would be so stoked to have gotten a full size of it. So I can't really like diss it. It's just like coincidence that I received it before. So I guess all in all, I'm just not excited about the 1 product in there. And I'm sure BoxyCharm is kind of like kicking themselves for having 2 problematic boxes in a row here. This time with Kat Von D and previously with Laura Lee. I don't know if it's just bad timing or what, but I did see some people say on Reddit that that was enough for them to cancel their subscriptions. I, of course, prepaid for a year, so I'm going to keep on trucking with my BoxyCharms. Now let's take a look back at the previous month's box. We got the Butter London eyeliner. It was like a roll-on eyeliner, and I had already tried one out. So I actually gave that one to my sister who is visiting from Ottawa. You can check out how she fared with it up in this video here, and maybe she'll leave a comment down below and let us know, like kind of updating us on what she thought about the formula. I don't know if she watches every video. So we also got some brushes from Alamar Cosmetics, and I personally think you can never go wrong with brushes. We got 3 brushes, but I already lost one. It's probably dirty somewhere in my collection, and yeah, I'm really happy with them. We got this Laura Geller blush, and I had the color Tropic Hues, which is so great for a fall time. It's like really rosy red with orange highlight. Like, it packs a punch in terms of highlight. It packs a punch in terms of just like color as well. You have to be really delicate with it going in with this guy. I literally like tap my brush and like just kind of swipe it on as gently as I can because it is so crazy pigmented. I've never had a blush that was like so crazy. Usually I have the opposite problem where I'm like packing it on and packing it on. I'm like, is it doing anything? This is the opposite. So maybe if you have a hard time with blushes, try this one out. I almost think it's a little bit too potent, but it's great for a lazy day when you want to blush and highlight all in one. It takes a second to put it on, and it does last really well throughout the day. This Hank & Henry lipstick I think was a total fail. I adore the packaging, and that might be enough for me to like keep it on display, even though I don't know who Hank & Henry are. I could display it like this. But like the sticker was coming off the bottom, which is just kind of annoying. And I just hate the smell of it. It makes my stomach turn. I don't know if it's supposed to smell like that or if mine's a little like funky, but I have no interest in putting this on my lips again. And it's just a really boring color that I feel like I'm not missing out on anyway. So this was a huge fail for me. And the thing that I'm probably feeling most guilty about, which is weird to say, this Pretty Vulgar Embrace Your Beautiful Contradictions palette. So it's beautiful, it's really gray and really brown, lots of neutrals in it. But I have like Naked 1 and Naked 2, and I'm project panning a Tarte palette which has some similar browns in there. So I just feel like I can't touch it yet, like I can't really get in there and enjoy it. I was thinking about giving it to my sister for the makeup challenge video, but I ended up going with a Tarte palette that I thought like this might be like a risky present, whereas the Tarte one I know for sure she would adore it and love it, so I gave her that one instead. So I'm just gonna hold on to this one for a while, and when I'm ready, then I'll probably break into it. But again, this is like such a great palette if you don't already have, like if you're just getting into makeup and you don't have anything like super basic. But for someone who has a bit of a budding makeup collection, I think it's just a lot of overlap in it. Clearly one of the patterns with BoxyCharm is we get an eyeshadow palette every month, and I'm not too sure any human needs 12 eyeshadow palettes. You can check my how many years of eyeshadows do I own video up here if you're curious to how long a palette might last. And yeah, I'm definitely getting eyeshadow palette burnout, which I honestly didn't think was gonna happen. I thought I would be like in love, but sometimes it's just too much for you to like really sit down and appreciate each palette. Like give me 100 lipsticks and each day I can use a different lipstick. It's no big deal. I can switch throughout the day. But like eyeshadows, like I'm not the best person at applying eyeshadows. I like to go back to my formulas that I know are gonna work for me. Day to day, I don't really wear crazy colors because I'm at work. So maybe like once a week I can bust out a crazy color palette and do something really fun. But yeah, I'm definitely feeling like they maybe could slow down and do every other month with the eyeshadow palettes and replace it with something else. And in terms of lipsticks, like come on guys, give us something other than pink. Anyway guys, that's it for this month's BoxyCharm and the previous month's re-review. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more beauty content from me. I do new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Huge shout out to my patrons who help support this content and bring these videos to you guys. If you want to help support my channel, check out the Patreon at the end card here, and for as little as $2 a month, you can help support this channel. Aside from that, everybody, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye!